Meaning of encounter group.
Encounter group.
Encounter group.
Encounter group.
Encounter group. An encounter group is a type of psychotherapy that involves a structured group setting in which individuals come together to explore their feelings, attitudes, and behaviors. The goal of an encounter group is to promote self-awareness, personal growth, and interpersonal communication skills by encouraging members to be open and honest with each other. Participants are typically encouraged to express their emotions and thoughts freely while receiving feedback from others in the group. The result of an encounter group can be increased self-awareness, improved social skills, and greater empathy towards others.